Welcome back, guys, to a new episode. This one is a special one. It's our first road trip of this vlog series and of this year. We're going to Forte together with Liam. He should arrive in a few minutes, and we're gonna pack up the van. I've got everything already in the car. I've got a custom board I want to try out if it's big enough. I've got my nano board. I've got everything set up. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's like a 2-hour boat ride plus another 2-hour car ride. So we should arrive this afternoon. But probably the first action you will see is from tomorrow in the morning, because Mike Jr. is coming as well, and we're gonna film each other. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. The forecast looks good, like 2 full days of action. We should get in plenty of sailing. It's gonna be starboard tack, so it will be fun to get back into starboard tack. I haven't sailed starboard tack in quite a long time, especially like maybe once or twice in the winter, but not really consistent. So yeah, I'm looking forward to train that and see where my level is. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put in some clips of the little trip with the boat and everything, and then we're gonna go straight into action. And actually, just before I forget it, I went on already a little trip like 2 or 3 days ago, but it wasn't, yeah, it was pretty epic for like 20 minutes, but I couldn't film anything. I will put in a screenshot of one of the waves I got. And yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy the action. We're gonna go straight into action, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night, till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? How you feel? Turn it up a notch, pop up clean room. Everyday celebration, take a trip vacation. You deserve a day, you deserve a day off. Working for too long, gotta kick back. Turn my cell phone off, wait till I get back. Ooh, yeah, I did that. Living my life with no regrets. So I titled, link up, pull up on me. Where we on? We did chillin', where we at the spot. What time? Anytime, link up, pull up on me. Where we on? We did coolin', the chill spot. What time? Party time. I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night, till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Don't it feel? The way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk, go play. But you better not come home like this. We was young. was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night, till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good?
So yeah guys, wind is super offshore at the moment, but we had a good morning session. We're currently filming each other, myself, Liam and Mike, and John as well. He was out there and had a few good waves. So yeah, it's full of flies. We have like Kalima, so it's super hot and a lot of flies. And yeah, all in all, it was a pretty fun session. Maybe a bit too offshore to properly turn, but yeah, happy